So this is a Spanish song of welcome to the forest, which I had a lot of help with since Spanish is not my native language or one I have learned. But I love music and I love sharing it. And so I wrote this one. The first time I do it, I like to intersperse it with the English translations for the kids. So it goes like this. Hola, amigos y amigas. Hello, all my friends. Bienvenidos al bosque. Welcome to the forest. Aves en los arboles. Birds in the trees. Pezes en el arroyo. Fish in the stream. Lluvia o sol. Rain or shine. Vamos a jugar y aprender. We will play and we will learn. Somos valientes because we are brave. Somos fuertes and we are strong. Somos amables and we are kind. Lluvia o sol, vamos a jugar y aprender. So rain or shine, we will play and we will learn. Let's sing it all together. Are you ready? Okay. Hola, amigos y amigas. Bienvenidos al bosque. Aves en los arboles, peces en el arroyo, lluvia o sol. Vamos a jugar y aprender. Somos valientes, somos fuertes, somos amables, lluvia o sol. Vamos a jugar y aprender. Yeah, so that is welcome friends to the forest.